Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making this beautiful peplum top. Before then we are going to make a bustier first, and it's going to have a small sleeve and a puff one. We are going to use elastic to achieve the puff sleeve, and we are making use of this beautiful Ankara fabric to make this tie. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Please ask them to also subscribe. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. We have other tutorial on my channel. You can also check them so that you can also learn the other styles that we have on my channel. So if you're interested to know how we are able to make this beautiful style, please, I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to cut and sew it on your own. So let's get started now with our tutorials.
So this our material that we're using to make this beautiful bustier that will have peplum at the bottom. So we'll get started with our measurement. So I will spread it out so that we'll start with our measurement. So let me cut it out so that my circumference that I'm using to, so I'm cutting it out for to start with our measurement. What I mean is the weight that we are using is what I've cut out. That is the front side of it now. So I will start with our measurement, and it's up shoulder that I will use and cut it. So I'm taking away from my tape rule with 5. So that's my 5, and to get my length, that's my length. My length is 18, and that is my nipple to nipple point line that I'm marking. So because it was a bustier, so that's my 3.5 that I'm marking, and after that I will just rule it with my ruler and get it a straight line. So that is how you also make your own when making your own. So what I'm marking there is my nipple point. My nipple point is 9.5. Under bust is 12.5 also, and that is my 1 inch that I'm marking for us for our bustier to cup out very well. So that's my 1 inch, and I also roll it out for us now to start with the measurement. So that is my underbust that I'm connecting from my nipple to my underbust, and half inch is what I'm giving at the middle side of it. So that's my half inch that I'm also marking. So after that, you also connect from your upper side to the underbust, and that's what I'm pointing at for you. So from there to the downside of it, you just connect it. What I mark there is half inch for the middle side, remember that. And now we want to measure our body measurement. My bust is 38, adding 1.5 that I've marked that will cut out, and for my zip allowance, so what I marked there is 1 inch that I marked from my allowance, and I also connect it down. So my waist, remember my waist is 28. So now I'm cutting it out now for us now to get our bustier. So this is how it come out. So, and this is how you also make it when making your own. Just look at everything that you can see me doing and do it on your own. Remember how we already made something like this before, so you can also watch my other tutorial that I've done with this kind of style with bustier style. So this is how you also mark it when making your own. So remember to notch your nipple point. So I will mark my nipple point now. So that's my nipple point, so that you indicate it. I also mark your underbust when making your own. So that is what I've done there now, and you can see how it is now. So now is the back side that I want to mark now. So using my front to place at my zipper side. So my zipper side that I'm giving out for my back measurement is 1.5 for my zipper side, and if you want to cut, you just use something to lay on it and cut out so that the front will not appear at the back. That is the nipple side of it. So can you see what I use and place it out, and that is how I'm cutting it out now. So that is the back side that I'm cutting. Remember, we have done with the front, using the front to cut our back. So I've opened my zipper side of it, notching it for you to know the upper side, and also notching the side of it. Now that's what I've done there now. So after that now, just for us now to go and do our peplum now. So can you see how I'm folding it now? I'm folding it in 4 pieces. This is the first side of it, and this is the second side that will make it that 4 piece, and it's a peplum 360-degree that we are using to cut it now. This is how you also place it. Just watch what I'm doing here. So my length that I'm having there is 7.5, and to get my round to curve it, that is the circle now, is 3.5. It's 3.5 that I'm getting to achieve it, just do it the way you are seeing me doing it, and it will come out very beautiful. And by the time we finish this style, you will also like it. So can you see the curving side now? So now you just place your tape rule and mark from where we mark our 3.5 already, so to get our length. And what I'm marking there is that 7.5, because that is the 7.5 we will get for our length of our peplum that we are marking. So that is my 7.5 that I'm marking throughout, and to get that your round circle that we are marking. So can you see how it is, the round flare? So that, can you see how it is? So let me cut it out for you to see how it will come out. So that is the upper side that we get to our waist, and this I also cut it out now. And after cutting, I will also spread it out for you to see how beautiful it is. So can you see how it is? So let me also spread it very well for you to see how our flare have come out. So this I also achieve it. So can you see? So after that, now I will just open one side of it for where we will now pass it, because by the time we want to fix it, this is how you also fix it, to start with your zipper side. And that side that I'm opening now is where we'll go and fix, and it will come out very good. So now I've done that. So this is the neck now that we want to cut for our blouse, because I will go and join it together. So after joining it, this how it is. I've ironed it out now. So just for me now to place it so that we'll cut our neck. Remember, we have not done that. And also remember to place your zipper side. So what I'm marking for my neck now is 1.5 is what I'm marking for my neck, and that is the depth of my neck, and that is 3.5 for the width of my neck, and that's my armhole that I mark 1 inch. So just for you not to connect, is a V-neck that we are cutting on this beautiful style that we are making, and just curve the armhole side, and that's what I've done there now. So let me cut the neck, and after cutting the neck, I'll just go to the machine and go and stitch the neck very well and iron it, and it will be ready before you know it. So this is the front. So can you see the way I cut it? I just cut it and raise it up so that it will not appear at the back side. So now is the back now that I want to cut, and it's a round neck that I'm cutting at the back of this top that we are making. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and always comment and share to your friends also, so that they too can also learn from this beautiful style that you are making. So can you see how it is now? So let me take to the machine and do it. And now is our neck now that the neck is placed. I've ironed it out. So it's the peplum now that I want to show you how to fix it. So I'm using my needle to place it out. So let me just give you the round circle that we have cut out. So this is the round circle that we have cut out, and that is the waist. It will re-enter the waist now. So I'm using my pin to pin it down for you to see how you also do your own when making your own. And after that, now just take it to the machine and stitch it out. And after stitching, just iron it so that it will come out very good and will be neat. So this how you also place. Can you see what I've done here? So you can see that it's entered exactly at our waist. So this how you also make it when making your own. Can you see how it is? So let me take it to the machine, guys, and stitch it together and iron it. And before you know, it will be ready. And after this one now, we'll cut our sleeve now. So that is the sleeve that I want to cut now. So it's a small sleeve that I'm using to make this style. It's a dove face, and this is the weight. The weight that I'm using is 5.5 is what I'm using. So this is how you also achieve it. So I'm fixing my elastic to get that small puff that we are having. So this elastic will appear in the upper side and the downside of it to puff it out. So the two sleeve is ready, and we'll go and fix it on the body now, and it will be ready.
Can see how beautiful our bustier top with peplum style is ready, and it has a small puff sleeve. You can see how we're able to achieve this beautiful style with this small piece of fabric that we just used to achieve this style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Please give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. And another way for you to support our channel is for you to please watch my tutorials down to the end. You can also make this for yourself. You can see how beautiful it is. Just follow the procedure that we use in making this style and you are going to achieve your own. So guys, keep on watching my tutorials so that you can learn how to cut and sew other styles that we have on this channel. So let's keep a date with me so that you can also catch up with my other tutorial. Thank you for watching.